Healthy living starts with healthy water. From hydration to cooking, you can now enjoy filtered water whenever you need it, directly from your existing faucet. Our patented Claryum filtration technology reduces harmful contaminants, all while retaining the beneficial minerals that are naturally found in water. IAPMO tested and certified, this filter reduces up to 99% in harmful contaminants, including lead, PFOS, pesticides, chlorine, and more. Rest easy knowing nothing is added to your water during the filtration process. The only thing in your water is water. The filter lasts for 6 months, making it a long-lasting, eco-friendly solution to disposable plastic water bottles. With do-it-yourself installation, the system attaches directly to your cold water line to instantly transform your ordinary tap water into clean, extraordinary water. No dedicated faucet is needed. That means no permanent fixtures, no drilling, and no plumber required. Replacing the filter is easy. Simply twist off the old filter and twist on the new one. No tools required to get back to clean, great-tasting water. Invest in your health with an Aquasana water filter. Purchase your Aquasana Claryum Direct Connect under-sink water filter today.